Wireless PCVR with zero visible compression? That's the holy grail we'll all be waiting for, right? Play4Dream promises to deliver just that with its new Steam Link integration. An image as sharp as DisplayPort, but completely wireless. I've put the open beta through its paces to show you if this is a true revolution or just an empty promise. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, and before I show you the gameplay and tell you what I think about it, we have to do some things because it's still, Steam Link is in beta, yeah, for the Play4Dream, and that means we have to install Steam Link via site loading and we have to do some settings. So first thing, you have to put the firmware on the newest update. So check it out in infos and then make the newest update, and then you have to do some headset settings. So inside the Play4Dream you go to settings, then you go to full 4K in the beta version. You have to restart the headset and then also set 80 Hz, true color, gamma 2.2. This is chromatic aberration correction. I think you have to enable it. Then eye tracking you should also enable, but disable the eye tracking filter. Yeah, this is what you do inside the Play4Dream. Then they recommend some PC specifications, but I have a lower one and it still worked on those settings, so it's no problem. And then you have to sideload the Steam Link app. It's an APK file. I hope I can put the zip in the description. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to do that. I will ask them, or I will just see if I can get the link. And then in this zip file there are 3 files. This one is just the manual that I show you, and then we have an update batch, and here's the APK file. What you're gonna do now you have to copy it to the Play4Dream. So connect the Play4Dream via USB-C cable to your PC, and then in Windows there will be a pop-up. It says, yeah, open file manager, and then I just copied it to the download folder of the Play4Dream. So copy the APK to the download folder. Then you can remove the headset from PC again, and then inside the Play4Dream, go to the Files app. This is the file manager, and then you will go to downloads and then just install that Steam Link VR APK file. And that's it. Then you have, normally in your library for the Play4Dream, you have the Steam Link. So, of course you have to install Steam VR on PC, that's for sure. It says beta, but it worked for me without a beta. So, and then once, you don't need to do that, but if you want to do some settings automatically, just run this Steam Link update batch as administrator, and then it will set some things automatically. Yeah, but you can also set it manually here in when you are already connected. Go to Steam Link and then connect everything. You have to pair it once, and then inside the Play4Dream in the Steam Link in the Steam environment, I would say, you have to do some settings, and this you have to go for 80, or they recommend the settings. I put this really to this resolution. It's insane. A resolution over 5000. Yeah, I put that to play Half-Life Alyx. You will see it later. It depends on your PC, of course. And then you will also go to the Steam Link settings in the menu, and then put the target bandwidth and the encoded size to the maximum. At least I did that. You have to play a little bit around. As I said, it depends on the power of your PC. And then it should look insane. But when you are inside a game or inside a Steam VR environment, you will notice that the controllers are not aligned correctly. So you point them and then they point upwards or so. So you have to do some settings with the controllers. But you only have to do it once. Everything what I show you, you have to do it only once. So go to the Steam VR settings. Oh wait, here on the side. Then go to controllers, go to manage controller bindings, and then set, if it's not already set the active controllers to Oculus Touch. Yeah, Oculus Touch, because they are synchronized with the Oculus Touch bindings, the Play for Dream controllers. So then go in the upper right corner, you will find options here, and then you have to check out if compatibility mode is on Oculus Touch controllers, and then click on configure. And then you have to use these settings. Yeah, here's also a list. Yeah, Y settings, Z pitch and jaw. You have to put them on these settings or just do it like in this list here. Yeah, in the menu, you can find the menu in the zip file. And then you should save it. Yeah, save personal binding. And normally then everything should be aligned correctly. You can play a little bit around with the settings perhaps if it's not correctly aligned. But still, it should work now. And now with this insane settings and the awesome display of the Play for Dream and also wireless, we will check out how PCVR works now. Make sure that the eye tracking is enabled because everything is dynamic foveated rendering. You will not even notice that. And now let's check out how it looks. Okay guys, here I am in Half-Life Alyx with the Play for Dream. And guys, this is insane. Yeah, this is insane. I pushed the resolution so hard, absolutely to the maximum that I could set. And I mean, what should I say? What should I say? Let me just like look at this here. This is insane. I can read even the small details here. What the heck? I mean, I cannot read Russian or whatever language that is, but still. And look, wait, I can hold it in the, look at this here. Oh my insane God, how cool is that? So the Play for Dream has an ultra high resolution with Micro-OLED, guys. It has Micro-OLED, and when I go to this area here, this dark area, it looks fantastic, like it should. Yeah. And the crazy thing is there are no artifacts, nothing at all. Yeah. For example, when you remember, for example, streaming with a Meta Quest 3 via Steam Link or Quest Link, and you check out the dark areas, like, of course it has not OLED, but still you will see some artifacts sometimes and a little bit washed out and some pixels. Here, everything is absolutely clear, and that is just amazing. Yeah, I mean, okay, I pushed it a little bit too hard. Perhaps I could even get more frames per second if I do it a little bit less. But I mean, look, you can see it. Look at this. When I move fast, it's still smooth with this resolution, guys. I mean, I have a PC. It's an RTX 4090 and an i9 14900K. It's not the slowest PC, of course, but also not the fastest. So it's really amazing how this looks. And still I have the controllers here. Yeah, the controllers are included. I mean, it looks also like this on the Apple Vision Pro. You can connect the Apple Vision Pro also to Steam with ALVR and also use the PlayStation VR 2 controllers. It's the same feeling. It's also perfect. But the Apple Vision Pro is twice the price nearly, and you need the PlayStation VR 2 controllers. Yeah, and that's just, bam, amazing. It's just amazing. So perhaps this could be interesting for some people that want PC VR wireless with a very high quality. Yeah. So I definitely, if somebody told me this is via DisplayPort cable connection, I think I would believe him. I really think I would believe him. But this is wireless, guys. This is insane wireless. You see me here in the corner. Do you see me? Yeah, there is no cable. I can turn around. Look at this. Dum, 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 dum. Now the cable would have a problem, right? I'm still turning. Do you see that? Oh my, I'm sick now. Oh my. And that's a blast. This is just a blast, guys. So yeah, if you have complained about PCVR headsets like the Megan X or the Big Screen Beyond 2 or the Pimax headset, and you say, oh my god, they have cables, I don't want cables, but I still want a really high resolution and stuff, then you should perhaps consider to buy the Play for Dream. Okay, let's be honest, the standalone store of Play for Dream is not really good. Yeah, so their Meta is much better, and Apple Vision Pro as well. But if you just wanted to buy it for PCVR wireless, think about it. It's $1,999, and with my coupon link in the description, you get $50 off. Perhaps you can consider it, yeah? Because, yeah, that's a blast. That's really a blast. And of course, you can play all Steam VR games with it, all of them. Yeah, not only Half-Life Alyx, everything that is for Steam VR, you can play it. Yeah, also the flight simulator, of course. Then you need a strong PC for this resolution. I can tell you, of course. Yeah, but yeah, and for now, this is only the beta version, guys, and even the beta version works perfectly. Yeah, okay, you have to set this stuff. Yeah, like the controller offset or so. You can still frickle around a little bit with it to make it perfect, but you only have to do it once, the settings, and then everything works fine. And later, if it's in the full version, you don't even, or in the final version, you don't even have to set something up. It's amazing. It's really amazing. And yeah, just two things, guys. I recommend two things. First, check out my full review of the Play for Dream. You find it in the description below. And second, if you want to buy it, then go via my coupon link in the description. You will not only support me, but also yourself, because you get $50 off. Yeah, and then you can buy Half-Life Alyx with that what you saved, right? And it's amazing. They did a great work. I didn't expect that, but they did a great work. So guys, yeah, I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, check out the description, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE